Everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to join Fisch Discord server. So for that, first of all, you need to open your Discord app, or if you are using a PC, you have to go to the Discord official website and click on Discord and open Discord. And after that, as you can see here, the add a server option, so you have to click on join a server here and type Fisch here and click on join server. So as you can see, it took me to the official Fisch Discord server easily. So you might face some problems like joining error, or like full uh, the server is full notification. So if you face that kind of problem, you can just select a time between 4 to 7 a.m. when the peoples are not really trying to get into the server, and you can try on that time and you can easily get onto the Fisch official Discord server. So I have got the access very easily. You can use another way. If you have any problem, like add a server button, go and join a server button Fisch, then click on server join server button, open the direct messages from double counter. Make sure you only receive the message when you join the server, and read the privacy policy and click the click me to verify text. You may need to click visit site to open the page. You can wait and you will see a verification successful on Fisch messages from double counter. So that's it. That's how you can join to the Fisch Discord server. So see you in the next video.